Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. I'm just diving into some color, playing into makeup today. So yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on this introduction. It will be a little bit of a glitch in this video because I was playing with my lighting, but don't worry, I got that figured out. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. This is where we are at. I recently just moved my lights around, so I don't know if I like this lighting setup, but I felt like I was literally overexposed. So the primer I am using is the Fenty primer, and it's the matte one, not hydrating, because your girl has oily skin. Now for foundation, oh, this right here. Foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation in the shade 420. And I'm going to be using this new brush. I've been using this like all week. It is the Ultimate Blending Brush from e.l.f. I love this brush. Like, I don't know what is it about this brush, but this brush is bomb. Okay, and for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. I think I want to use, like, get more of these, but get a lighter color. I feel like Deep works for my skin tone, but if I wanted to brighten it up a little bit, I feel like it really doesn't brighten me up as much as I would like to. And for contour, I'm going to contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I think this is a little bit too dark for me, so I'm going to end up going to get a different shade. But until then, I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on the brush. Okay, and to blend out this concealer, I'm going to be using this. Oh my god, I just discovered this sponge. Look how big this sponge is. This is a e.l.f. sponge, and it's just so soft, so soft. And I'm obsessed with this sponge. Lately, the only thing I keep thinking about is vlogging. I can't wait till I can actually start vlogging. Okay, and to set it, I really want to try this powder. This powder by Huda Beauty. I just got this powder in the mail, and I was going to do like a full face of Huda Beauty, but wow. This is like really, I'm getting it everywhere. Really orange. This is in the shade Knopf. And for brows, I want to try something new. I recently just picked up this e.l.f. brow pencil, and I heard it's supposed to be like really good. And I got it in the shade, I think this is the shade Dark Brown. It's like really smooth. I've tried some brow pencils, and you have to like damn near break the damn thing in order for it to show up on your. Okay, so I brought you guys in closer, and I moved my lights. I hated it. I did not like how it looked. Sorry, my eye is watering. So right now I'm just taking the Makeup Revolution in the color C8, and I'm just packing that on the lid. This is pretty much what I've been using. I still would like to try the Anastasia primer. I heard that that is like really nice. but right now I've been using this and I'm down to like the last of it, but it does really help with color, the pigmentation of the shade showing up. My videos were so all over the place. Last week I was like not feeling good. I was so sick. So now that I'm feeling better, this video will probably be up Friday what's today? Today's the 10th. So it'll be up, that's a shame, the 13th. Oh my god, Friday the 13th. It'll be up Friday the 13th. Okay, so now that we have that color packed on, I am going to go in with this palette by Juvia's Place and going to take this dark shade and I'm going to pack that color into the crease. If I can find the brush. Okay, so now that I have that color packed in, I want to go into this palette, the Zulu palette. If I can pick it up. I want to go into the Zulu palette and take this yellow shade and take that yellow shade and kind of pack it on top of that pink shade. I'm going to pack it on and then I'm going to blend it out later. Okay, so I'm going to blend that out last. I'm going to go back in with that dark shade just to deepen up the crease. Except this time, instead of packing, I'm just going back and forth in windshield wiper motion. Okay, and to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C8. Okay, so now that I got that crease cut, I am going to scream because now my cat doesn't want to be in the room with me. You're stuck, sis. Sorry. Now I'm going to blend out that yellow shade. I'm not going to really add any more color. I'm just going to blend it out with whatever is left on the brush. Okay, for the lid, I'm going to be using this blue shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that color on. I'm going to use a little bit of this Morphe spray to kind of make that color pop. Sorry if you guys can hear my cat in the background. She wants to leave the room, but she never leaves the room when it's time to leave the room. She always wants to leave as soon as I'm sitting down. When the door was open for an hour, she wants to be in here. Okay, and to deepen up that outer V, I want to use this purple shade from the crayon case. I'm literally just going to buff that in the outer V and then just blend it in next to that blue shade. Okay, so now that I have that all blended out for under eye, we're going to go back in with this shade and then we're going to smoke that out with the yellow shade, kind of connecting them all together. We're not going to add like too much color on the brush, and you don't have to worry about like blending it out. I'm not going to worry about blending it out until after I got that yellow shade down. Okay, so now that I have that blended out, for the inner corner, I'm going to be using the Avenue of Stars by ColourPop. Kind of has like this jelly consistency. So I'm just going to be using this little brush from Morphe and kind of just placing it on the inner eye. Okay, so now it's time to set the rest of the face. I'm going to bake with this powder. Even though I did my under eye, I'm just not going to place it directly underneath there. Oh my god, this powder just smells so nice. Okay, so now I'm going to bronze up the face with what? I don't know. With the CoverGirl bronzer in Queen Collection. The CoverGirl Queen Collection and Ebony Bronze. There's no product on this brush. Just kind of want to make everything like so seamless. Then I forgot to add liner in this eye. The liner I went in with is the Aqua Green liner from NYX. Okay, so now time for lip. For lip, I really just want to do like a gloss, and I'm going to be using the Milani Gold Dust Gloss. This gloss has a little bit of shimmer in it. I think I'm going to line my lips first with the NYX Dark Brown Pencil. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on my lashes, and for I think I want to do a blush. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Brick House blush from, don't even know who this is from Black Radiance, and this is what it looks like. And this brush is going with a little bit on our cheeks. Ooh, that's a lot of blush. Too much blush. But that's okay. Can you go over that? Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Milani No. 4 Strobe Light Highlighter. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so I think that's good. And then I'm going to spray my face with whatever I have left in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really like how this look turned out. Sorry for the lighting confusion. I was really trying to figure out a way to see what is the best place to set up my lights, and how I have them set up now is perfect in my opinion. It's perfect in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that bell, and head on over to my Instagram. That's where giveaways will be, so you don't want to miss out on that. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.